In this comprehensive review of Synthesia AI, we'll provide you with all the essential details about the best AI video generator, Synthesia AI, ensuring you're well informed before making a purchase. To facilitate your exploration, we've included the link in the video description for you to effortlessly set up your account. Hello, I'm David from Digital Brands Hub. Synthesia AI stands out as the top-rated AI video creation platform, earning the title of the best AI video generator. Adopted by numerous companies, it empowers them to craft videos featuring AI avatars, leading to remarkable time and budget savings, up to 80%. But how does Synthesia AI operate, and is it genuinely exceptional? Let's delve into the details. How does Synthesia AI work? Synthesia AI revolutionizes the conventional and expensive video creation process, providing a time and cost-efficient alternative. Through the utilization of AI, it simplifies video creation from elaborate studios, actors, and cameras to a user-friendly web-based platform. Synthesia enables the creation of professional videos at a remarkable speed, 10 times faster than ever. This AI video generator is intuitive, user-friendly, and demands no prior video editing knowledge. It's highly recommended for companies of all sizes seeking an easier, faster, and more cost-effective video production process. Additionally, content creators find it to be an invaluable tool. What can it do for you? Synthesia AI offers a range of capabilities, allowing you to utilize professional actors without studio time, choose from a pool of over 70 diverse AI avatars, or craft your custom AI avatar, tailored to your brand. Obtain professional voiceovers without mics, access over 65 languages and accents, complete with closed captions. Editing or updating is just a click away. Generate consistent, high-quality videos in minutes, select from more than 50 pre-designed templates, or opt for a customized template, incorporating your brand identity assets. So, is Synthesia AI any good? The resounding answer is yes. Synthesia is exceptionally good. It's an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to optimize their video creation efficiency. Feel free to create your account now by following the link in the description below.